everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Timmy Skin Glow and I'm Rachel Elijah. Thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, you are welcome to our skincare family. On this channel, we do everything skincare, from simple DIY to product review, and of course tips and tricks to help you stay glowing. Don't forget, our products are readily available for immediate delivery, and of course we deliver worldwide. Whatever skin challenge it is you are battling with, send me a message on WhatsApp via the number on the screen. And of course, I will recommend what is best for you. And when I say I'm going to recommend, I mean recommending Timmy Skin Glow products. Now, if you are into skincare and of course you're battling with formulas that are not giving you results, your products are not working for you, you're losing customers, nothing seems to be working for you, or you want to start a skincare brand this 2024, you don't know where to start from, you don't know what to do, how to go about it, talk to me on WhatsApp, send me a message, and let's talk about it. Don't forget, we can also supply you products in liters for rebranding. So that means you can buy from us in liters, repackage and sell. And the good thing is that you are getting effective product from us. Our training is available as well. Natural skincare formulation class, everything that's made from scratch. We have our ebook, natural skincare formulation ebook. We have pro-mixing ebook. We have whitening base cream ebook. We have recommended oils and serums on pro-mixing ebook. Just send me a WhatsApp message. So today I'm going to talk about this oil. You can call it oil or serum if you want. And this as well. Do you know the difference between these two? Do you know how they work? Do you know what to use them for? Now this is X-White Extra Whitening Serum with argan oil. This one here. And this is X-White Half Cast Oil with B3, glutathione, and extreme whitening oil. They are all 7 days action. This one here says 7 days action, and this one says 7 days action. If you have my pro-mixing ebook, then of course this should not be strange to you. Yes, these are in my pro-mixing ebook, especially for whitening. Now, this is the kind of oil you should use in your facial product. If you are into pro-mixing, you are into skincare, and you have not tried this in your facial product, then I don't know what you are pro-mixing. Let me bring it out for you to see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It comes in a small bottle like this, but it's small but mighty. This is really active. This is really, really good. You can use 2 like this in a facial cream of, like, let's say 1 kg. So if you are doing a 1 kg whitening facial cream, you can use 2 of these there. So let me go straight to the label. What does it contain? It contains argan oil. It contains vitamins, and it contains natural skin whitening active. So it's a X-White Extra Whitening Serum. Is a natural product for beautification and purification of skin. It is aimed at eliminating all form of skin, freckles, and uneven skin tone, dark spots, and age mark. It is good for aging it is good for aging or weakening skin by restoring dead skin cells, and of course, and natural body oils lost to stress. So it helps to rejuvenate your skin in a week. Clear stains, scars, pimples, anti-touch, and of course, it's for skin whitening. So this is really good. If you are doing pro-mixing, you can use this in your facial product, especially for facial product, because it's not so strong, it's not too harsh. This is not the kind of oil that will give you redness on your face or thin line around your eye area. This is really going to work well for you in your pro-mixing. So if you're into pro-mixing and you need a good facial oil to use, this is something you should go for. This is for facial product, and this big one here is for body product. Use this in your body product. Now this one is the X-White Half Cast Oil. It contains glutathione and it contains vitamin B3. So it says this X white half cast oil is a natural product for beautification. Okay, just the same thing I just read out from this place. So it's really good to use in your body lotion. It contains argan oil, vitamin B, and vitamin E. It contains ascorbic acid. It contains this one here contains ascorbic acid. It contains alpha-butane acid. It contains glutathione, fruit acid, AHA, TCA, allantoin, and of course, giga white oil. You can see the ingredients here are so sweet. I love this ingredient, especially when I'm making my natural skincare lotion and product from scratch. I always use this ingredient in it, and it's good. It's really good for the skin. It gives that nice glow. So you can see this is not those hydroquinone or steroid or harsh ingredients. No, 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 no. This is really good. See it? This is what it looks like. Okay, you can see it's sealed. So if you are promising your body lotion and you don't know what oil to use, what oil to try in it, use the X White half cast oil in your body lotion. This is good. Okay, and for the facial cream, if you are promising your facial cream, use X White extra whitening serum. It's small. A lot of people don't know about this one. This one is so popular that some people don't even know what this one can do. Don't use this in your body lotion and use this in your facial cream. You are going to love it. If you have tried it before, let me hear from you in the comment section. These are oils, okay? These are oils to use. This is Magic Force Serum, very good. Now, if you can use this Magic Force Serum in promising, you can also use it to activate your facial product. If you are making natural skincare product from scratch and you need some serums that contains fruit acid, fruit acid, not those hydroquinone or steroids, because so many people don't want to hear about hydroquinone or steroid. Now I'm talking about natural active, especially fruit acid and natural ingredient that will help to activate your product. You can use this as a activating product for your facial cream, especially when you're making it from scratch. You can use this in pro mixing as well. If you have my pro mixing ebook, again, this is there in the facial cream recipe in my promising ebook. This is magic white serum. So you see, whatever I'm sharing with you in this channel is not just for sharing sake. It is something I have used. I know it worked for me and I know it's good. So I come here to recommend it for you. So it says formulated from the best friendly skin element. Nothing on the skin by immediate action have been developed with the greatest care by no okay GUPI, known for its revolutionary work on the lightening without side effect of black spot on the skin. So it says this is really good. This is really good for pro-mixing. It says Magic Force will leave you with a uniform skin, silky, luminous, and of course a beautiful complexion, visible result in 3 days. Now, when you see some ingredients, some product that say visible result in 3 days, visible result in 4 days, 5 days, it does not mean you will just achieve your skin goal in 3 days or 4 days or 5 days. No, when you say visible result, it means you start seeing improvement. You start seeing the glow. You start seeing your skin like, oh, there's some kind of improvement. Oh, this dark spot is getting lighter. Oh, this you start noticing something from 3 days. It does not mean it gives result in 3 days. So if you use it for like a week to 2 weeks, then you should see results. So this is what the Magic Force Serum looks like. It's yellow in the bottle, pure yellow, and it's somehow thick, but not too thick. So yes, you can use this in pro-mixing your facial product. This is good for facial product. If you want something for body product, then you should go for something stronger, not this one. I think I've recommended serums on this channel for facial product and body product. I'll put the link in the description box so you check it out. Now, if you cannot get Magic Force, to be the best substitute for this should be Rapid White Whitenizer. That one is also good For facial products, you can use whitening, rapid white whitenizer in your facial product and in your body product as well. But this one here, Magic Force, is very, very good for facial product because it's not too strong. You know, the skin on the face is sensitive compared to the body. So you need something that will work for you, not too strong, but mild and would give you results. So yes, Magic Force is a serum you can go for. And for oil, for your facial product, this is what you can go for. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long. If you have any question, please share with me in the comment section. If there's any product you want me to review or talk about, please let me hear from you in the comment section. I think in my next video I'm going to talk about a product, how to identify adulterated and original. Now there's so many fake products in the market, and the thing about this fake product is that if you get fake products, you can have a very sweet formula to work with. You can have a very good recipe, but if you do not have original ingredients that will work for you, you think, oh, this recipe is not good. No, the recipe is good, but the ingredient you are working with is the issue. So please, whatever you do, make sure you get original ingredient. Make sure the ingredient you are using is not something that has expired. Always look out for the expiration date. Try to get original ingredient, and of course get very nice recipes and formulas to work with. If you don't have recipes to work with, if you don't have good formulas, Temi Skin Glow is here to help you. Send me a message on WhatsApp, get our ebook, or register for our skincare class. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, subscribe if you haven't. See you in my next video. Bye.